Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I am thankful for second chances. Before I get into talking about second chances, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll be glad to welcome you to our community. You know, over the course of my life, I've been given a lot of second chances, and so I'm really thankful for second, third, fourth, and fifth chances to try to get things right. God keeps working in our lives to make sure that we get it right, as long as that's what's in our hearts. And so I am very grateful today that He has given us those second chances, and that He wants us to model ourselves after Him and give others second chances too. So wherever you are in your realm or your sphere of influence, remember that people in general are trying to do what's right. Sometimes they may be misled or uninformed, and second chances is something that they need to know that people aren't judging them or giving them a wrong, I don't know what to say. They aren't not giving them another chance to do the right thing or to do something the right way when they had it in their heart to do it the right way. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you'd like, please let us know what you're thankful for today. And also, we're on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. So come on over and check us out. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.